Okay, paper up. Foundation form number 1. Ready? With my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, shot. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, shot, 17, 18, 19, 20, paro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, shot. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, shot. 17, 18, 19, 20, paro. Attacker, should be. Shout. Okay, ready. Stop defense number 1. See, jump. Again. Okay, serious. Okay. Attacker, should be. Shout. Okay, ready. 1. 2, 3, 4,
Baliktad
5,
pa.
shot. Okay. Next. After that. 1, 2, 3. Alright, next. Okay, self defense number 5. Alright, at number should be 1, 2, 3,
Right is
20. Shot. Salute. Change full shot. 1, 2. Change full shot. Front kick. 1, 2. Change full shot. 1, 2. Change full shot. Out in kick. Ready. 1, 2. Change full shot. 1, 2. Change full shot. Next. In out kick. Ready. 1, 2. Change full shot. 1, 2. Change full shot. The next 45-degree kick. Ready. 1, 2. Change full shot. 1, 2. Change full shot. Side kick. Ready. 1, 2. Change full shot. 1, 2. Change full shot. Okay, Juliet. Yung neck. Okay, right foot touch out. Okay, ready? Okay, right leg only, ready? And go. Touch kick, go, touch kick, touch kick, touch kick, touch kick, front kick, front kick. Out in, out in, out in out, in out, in out. 45, 45, 45. Side kick, shoot. Side kick, shoot. Okay, change foot. Okay, ready. Okay, ready, and go. Touch kick, touch kick, touch kick, front kick, front kick. Out in, out in, out in out, in out, in out. 45, 45, 45. Side kick, shoot. Side kick, shoot. Okay, so yun, inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3.
Absent. Good. Very good. Okay, alam mo ba yung ibig sabihin? Okay, what is your favorite kick? Ano yung paborito ng sika?
Madami pong sipa, lahat po gusto ko.
Sledge kick, paano mo sa akin? Tiny Sands. Gusto ko ito, saka masipa mo. Sledge kick yan siya. Yung malakas na siya, ha? Dapat naririnig sa SN. Okay? Tapos siya, clear na. Ready? Sledge kick yan siya. Ready? 1, 2. Don't close your eyes. Ready, ha? Change one. Visualize it. Ready? 1. So you can see the opponent. 2. Carry on. Okay.
Ito pa isa.
Good job. Geraldine. How old are you, Geraldine? 6. Answer properly. I am 6 years old, sir. Okay, take 2. How old are you? 6. Sir. Diba? Yung taekwondo, always respect. Who's your coach? Ano ba yun? Where's Coach Abby? Okay, di ba sa gym? When you go to the gym, and then you see her, what do you do?
Hi, Coach.
No, when you see her, when you reach the gym, what's the first thing you do? High five? Di ba you have to bow to your coach? Bow? Sige, pero next time you have to bow. That's a martial art way. So yeah, show me. How do you bow? Look right. You do that palagi. Do you bow to your parents? No? Dapat ano na lang, kiss na lang. And then, sa parents, di ba? Pwede? Okay. Don't bow to your parents. That's only for coaches. Okay? Okay. What's your favorite block? What's your favorite block? Don't know the block? What's this? What's this? Yes. Yeah, what is this? What do you call this? High? Oh. You know it naman pala eh. How about this one? Low? Oh. Very good talaga. Very good si coach talaga, no? Okay, sige. Dayan.
Masayahin talaga yan, sir.
Okay. Okay, galing ni coach, no?
Parang ano, yellow gold.
Two, three, 4, Stitch up. Paro. Ay, naka. Si jump. Okay, up. Okay, next. Attacker. Should be self-defense number 8. Si jump. Okay, up. Okay, next. Self-defense. Si jump. Okay, after line.
Change foot. 45. 1. 2. Change foot. 1. 2. Change foot. Roundhouse kick. Ready. 1. 2. Ready. Left foot at the back. Yeah, ready. Roundhouse kick. 1. 2. Change foot. Jumping out in kick. Ready. 1. You have to jump. 2. Very good. Change foot. Okay, ready. 1. 2. Change foot. Turning side kick. First time, one to move forward. First time, a little bit. Tama kayo sa second time. Gian, don't move. Don't do that. Baka matamaan ka na sa likod mo. Okay, everybody, fighting sa shot! Turning side kick. Ready. 1. Ready. 2. Shimon. Okay, you have to aim dito. Yan, dito yung kalaban nyo, ha? Dito yung kick nyo dapat. Ready? 1. Yan. Ready? 2. Okay, yun. Okay, first line only. So, sila lang, ha? Ulit. Sabay-sabay tayo. Chariot. Same time. Fighting set. Shot! Follow my command. Ready? Stretch kick. Stretch kick. Okay, stretch kick. Front kick. 45. 45. Roundhouse. Roundhouse. Jumping out it. Jumping out it. Jumping out it. Jumping out it. Ready? Side kick. Shot! Good. Change foot. Other leg naman. Left foot at the back. Okay, keep it your left foot, ha? Ready? Go. Stretch kick. Stretch kick. Stretch kick. Front kick. Front kick. In out. In out. 45. 45. Roundhouse. Roundhouse. Jumping out it. Jumping out it. Turning side kick. Shot! Yun. Ayun. Good. Okay, so...
DJ Kick!